So this is the unboxing of the black box. This is what you're going to get when you order your black box off of our website. Right now, the black box comes with XBMC installed, has DLNA technology, mirror casting technology. You can install Android apps on it, and you can control picture sharing with the device. You're also able to do 3D Blu-ray support. It comes with Android 4.4. So when you open the box, there's a little flap here. You're gonna open the box. And what you're gonna get inside, first thing you're gonna see is the actual device. It's shiny because it has a protective film to protect the top. When you take the box out, it's just a square. I wish I had something to compare it to. But when you look on the back of the box, this is what you're going to have here. You're going to have your power, digital audio, Ethernet, HDMI, OTG on the back. Turn it to the side. You get 2 USB ports and an SD card slot for a memory upgrade and photo sharing. Put this aside here. You're going to have your manual here. It's a quick overview of how to connect it to your TV. You're also going to get your tech support number so we can help you remotely with the box. You're going to pull this piece of cardboard out. You're going to get an Ethernet Cat 5 cable in there so you can hook it up to your router or cable modem. You're going to get a remote, power cord, and the HDMI cable. We're going to open up the remote here. Okay. And when you open that box, your remote's going to come in the plastic wrap. And this is what it's going to look like. You have your power button here, your mouse there, you have your direction controls, which is down, up, left, and right. You have your OK button, you have your home button, play button, the back button, up and down volumes, and the menu button, which in the next video I'm going to go over how to use that. Then you're going to get your power plug here. So it's going to be standard 5-volt power supply. And you're going to, and this is the end here. And then you have your HDMI cable. Which is here, which is a standard 3-foot HDMI cable. Just to show you that we want it. These are the gold tips for better connection. Okay. Move this out of the way. So we'll get to the box. So here's the black box here, and I'm showing you here, I have an SD card here. Here's the SD card, it's 8 gigs. All you do, so I'm doing this one hand. You'll take your SD card, and you'll pop it in like that. If you have one, you'll take your power plug and the HDMI cable, and plug that to your TV. So what I'm going to do is make another video showing how to plug it to a TV and how to get it working.